Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and my new internet buddy that watches almost all my videos and sends me really good tips sent me another tip. I just got through making a video that I'm going to try tomorrow to see if this helps cutting acrylic to have a little start tail. But he suggested this right angle uh, sharp corner might be a little bit of problem. You could very easily change that. And if you like, and this would be personal preference, go to Windows, Dockers, and go down to Fillet, Scallop, Chamfer, and set this on a really low or a really large number, and it gives you a preview what it would look like. But you can make this really low, and it's almost non-detectable, but it would make it be a little bit smoother cut, maybe with their acrylic, maybe than that right angle. So this is personal preference, but it's just another option. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.